In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and potentially fix issues with Outlook using your Windows settings. Whether you're experiencing glitches or notice that the application isn't working as it should, these steps may help in resolving the problems effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Windows search bar. You know, that handy little utility that lives at the bottom left of your screen. It's a quick gateway to everything your computer has to offer, and today we're going to use it to manage your applications. Type in the words Add or Remove Programs. This will bring up a list of applications that are currently installed on your computer. This tool allows you to modify, repair, or uninstall programs right from your settings. Now in that list, scroll through and find Outlook. Once you've located it, you'll see there are 3 dots next to the app name. Go ahead and click on those. A menu will drop down, giving you a few different options. What we're interested in here are the advanced options. Select that. Now inside the advanced options menu, you're going to find 2 important features, repair and reset. First, let's try to resolve the issue by clicking on repair. This feature will attempt to fix any issues with Outlook without affecting your data. It's a gentle approach and often resolves minor issues. In case you find that the problem persists, you might need to take a slightly more drastic step by selecting Reset. Keep in mind, however, that Reset reinstalls the application, which might affect some of your settings or preferences. Use this option if the repair didn't yield results and you don't mind reconfiguring the app afterward. Now, let's talk about an alternative method just in case Outlook still doesn't cooperate. You can use the command prompt, sometimes affectionately known as CMD. Just go back to that trusty search bar and type CMD, which stands for command, prompt. Open it up. Here, you'll want to type the command sfc/scan now. This command stands for System File Checker and is built into Windows to scan and restore any system files that might be corrupted or missing. Simply type it in and hit enter. The process takes a little time, so you can grab a cup of coffee while it works its magic. Once the process is finished, be sure to restart your computer. This ensures any changes made are properly applied once your system boots back up. And just like that, you've had a go at some robust troubleshooting techniques for Outlook. Whether you went the route of the repair or reset, or took the more technical path with the command prompt, these steps aim to get your app back in working order. If you restart and find everything is functioning smoothly, then congratulations, you've successfully handled